Want to know how to choose your champion or your hero in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So, personally, the way you choose your first champion is actually only through your preference, but you can get through it just by doing a tutorial first. So we have also created a video on how to install sign-in as well as playing a tutorial, so make sure to watch that. And once you have watched it, you should be under this interface right away. You should be able to choose your champion. Usually the preference, but sometimes you might get a rarer champion as well. You can see the stars and the rarity has shown down here, so you can just simply select any one of these. So I'm just going to select this one right here. So you can just simply select choose, and you can see it's HP, attack, defense, and much more. You can also switch it by swiping on it and just simply select it just like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. So now you can just simply proceed with your game. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.